What if the person who appears to be the most confident in the room is actually concealing a fragile sense of self beneath a veneer of charm and bravado? Today, we'll delve into the world of maladaptive narcissism to reveal the truth behind the mask. Welcome to Wellness Lenses, where every conversation is a deep dive into mental wellness and psychology. Today's journey takes us into the psyche of a narcissist. However, not all narcissism is bad. In fact, having a healthy sense of self esteem and confidence can be extremely beneficial. However, when these characteristics become extreme and begin to negatively impact a person's life and the lives of those around them, we enter the realm of maladaptive narcissism. Maladaptive narcissism is more than just having a large ego. It's a pattern of behavior characterized by an exaggerated sense of self importance, a strong desire for excessive attention and admiration, and a lack of empathy towards others. This can frequently lead to strained relationships and a cycle of self destructive behavior. Consider someone who is always the center of attention at parties, bragging about their accomplishments, but is quick to lash out or withdraw when they do not receive the admiration they seek. These people may appear confident on the outside, but on the inside, they frequently struggle with feelings of insecurity and unworthiness. So, where does this behavior stem from? According to research, maladaptive narcissism can result from a combination of genetic and environmental factors. For example, children who receive excessive praise or are harshly criticized may develop narcissistic traits as a coping mechanism. Consider a situation in which you felt compelled to compensate for a lack of confidence. Have you ever known someone who appeared overconfident, but then revealed deep insecurities? Please share your thoughts or stories in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, if today's topic is something that appeals to you, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on mental health and psychology. We're now also on Substack, so check the link in the description box below. It is critical to distinguish between adaptive and maladaptive narcissism. Adaptive narcissism can be very beneficial. It encompasses characteristics such as high self-esteem, assertiveness, and a willingness to take risks. These can lead to success and happiness when combined with empathy and healthy relationships. On the other hand, maladaptive narcissism frequently causes problems. These individuals may exploit others, respond aggressively to criticism, and struggle to maintain long-term relationships. Their inflated self-esteem can serve as a defense mechanism, protecting them from deep-seated feelings of inadequacy. Let's look at some of the common signs that someone may be suffering from maladaptive narcissism. First and foremost, there's an overwhelming sense of grandiosity. Consider someone who believes they're the most important person in the room and that they are superior to everyone else. They may be constantly in need of admiration, seeking praise and validation like oxygen. It's as if they have an endless supply of needs that can never be satisfied. Then there's the empathy issue, or rather, the absence of it. People with maladaptive narcissism frequently struggle to understand or care about the emotions of others. It's as if they have a blind spot for how their actions affect those around them. This can lead to manipulative behaviors, in which they use others to achieve their goals without regard for the consequences. Despite the outward confidence, there's often a fragile self-esteem lurking beneath. Criticism can be a powerful trigger. Instead of taking constructive feedback, they may become angry or withdraw completely, as if their world is collapsing. It's a defense mechanism designed to protect the vulnerable inner self. While everyone exhibits narcissistic traits on occasion, maladaptive narcissism differs in the intensity and impact of these behaviors. Regular non-maladaptive narcissists may seek validation or exude confidence on occasion, but they can still empathize with others and deal with criticism without breaking down. Their self-esteem is generally stable, allowing them to maintain healthy relationships and deal with setbacks effectively. Maladaptive narcissists, on the other hand, are trapped in a cycle of extreme self-importance, a constant need for admiration, and an inability to empathize, which causes significant personal and interpersonal problems. Their reactions to criticism are frequently exaggerated and defensive, revealing a deep vulnerability beneath their outward bravado. Maladaptive narcissism can cause havoc in both personal and professional relationships. A lack of empathy and an insatiable desire for admiration can lead to disagreements and misunderstandings. Partners, friends, and colleagues may feel underappreciated and exploited. Consider working with someone who takes credit for your ideas or consistently undermines your contributions. This dynamic can foster a toxic environment, resulting in resentment and disengagement. Fortunately, maladaptive narcissism can be managed and treated. Therapy, particularly cognitive behavioral therapy, can assist individuals in recognizing and changing harmful behaviors. Developing empathy, increasing self esteem, and learning healthier ways to interact with others are all important aspects of treatment. Some studies have also demonstrated the efficacy of psychotherapy in treating narcissistic personality disorder, emphasizing the importance of tailoring treatment to each individual's specific needs. Understanding maladaptive narcissism allows us to see beyond the surface of seeing confident people and identify the difficulties they may be experiencing. It's a reminder that everyone, no matter how confident they appear, can benefit from empathy and support. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of the human mind. Also, don't forget to leave your stories or thoughts in the comments. We're all here to learn from one another. In case you missed it, we're now on Substack. You can get free summaries of each video if you subscribe. And if you want full details of each video's topic, with references and helpful resources, we offer a paid subscription for a small fee. Just click the link below. See you in the next video.